Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss about create and open new workbook in the Excel. So you can see here I already with the Excel. So in the Excel you can see in top there you see the home bar, and here when I click in here now you can see here the new blank workbook, and it say the reason I have used and it's about something. So you can see in the right side you say the unpin this item from the list, and it's mean I already pinned it. And when I click over here now it say the unpin, but you can also pin this item the for list. It means I already when I pin in here, in the next time I can easily find in here and I can just work with this sheet. Okay, so you can do the rest of the Excel sheet here. All there are in the pin. Just when I click over here it's now unpinned and it will come in the next time. Okay, the next one when I click over the new you can see here it is called the new workbook. So it's mean when you open your Excel workbook this time you will find the blank workbook or the prepared workbook, but here from the new, you can see the blank workbook, and the next, you can see the prepared workbook. Here already say the personal monthly budget, like never released, with highlights and a different kind of template and preferred workbook. So you can also find from the online. When I click over here and write anything, whatever you are looking for, your template in Excel, just you can write and it will come up as Excel workbook. Okay. And also in the down you can find the suggested searches. It means you can also use the business's personal planner and check out list, budget, charts, and calendars. There is the kinds of template you can also looking for. It's a kind of suggestion, and you can also choose from your workbook. Let me choose one of them. Here, if I use the personal monthly budget, and let me hit on the create, and here you can see this is about this template. It's about use this personal monthly budget worksheet to check your projected and actually monthly income and projected and actual cost. In the next sheet you can find this is the prepared and the editable budget. This is the prepared and the editable budget. Here personal monthly budget, you can just edit it and even the customize with your color or design or your data, you can work for your job. Okay, then go back to again the file I said in before. It's a print one, but in here you can see in the open, here is a few options like OneDrive, this PC, and add to place and browse. And when I click over the OneDrive, it means the drive to access your file from anywhere and share with anyone. So you can create with sign up, and also you can sign in. So when you sign in, so it will link into the Microsoft Office, and it can be done by, okay, so it's sign up. Okay, and you can find in here when I click over this pixels, it's me, where did I work. Now it's location or destination. We can say it's in the user admin user document. You can find those files for your work. You can add a place like OneDrive or OneDrive for businesses. You can also add location to make it easier to save office document to the cloud. The next one, it's called the browse. So it means what do you work in before. You can find from here and just select one of them and hit on the open, then it will come up as a workbook. Okay, so for now I'm just doing that cancel. So it's very easy to open and easy to find when you work it here. Okay, that is for today's create and open new workbook. I hope follow these simple steps and work with create and open new workbook. Thank you for watching. And customize ribbon quick access tool at in and trust center, and from here I'm going to use the customized ribbon. Let me choose the customized ribbon. When I click in the customized ribbon, then we will found that customize the ribbon, and then the next one we can see customize the ribbon, and here it says the main tabs, and here choose the command from the popular command. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a tab, and inside tab I'm going to use, or I'm going to create a new tab for my quick access. So how can I do it? Just to use the new tab, and now you can see here is the another tab like the home tab and insert tab. So here's the new tab. Let me click on the OK. Now you can see here the new tab, but when I click over the new tab, you can't see anything in the new tab. This is the blank. There is no group, nothing is there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the same some group or some access for my tab. So let's go to again the file and options, and from options click customize ribbon, then click on that. Before that, what I'm gonna do, click on that and use the rename. So click on that and use the name, like if I say like the Martin, then hit on the OK. Then now you can see the tab name is Martin. Then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna use few groups in here. Like if I use from like all tabs, then go to the home, and from home bar I'm going to use only the clipboard. Then select this one and hit on the add. Now you can see this is the clipboard. I use the style, click on that and add it. Then same as go to the insert tab and use like the table and use the app. Now it has the table. Then same way I can use the link, only link, select it and use the and as usual I can use the formula, and from the formula I can just use the functions and the whole functions, then use the add. Now you can see in marking tab there is three groups like clipboard, styles, table, link and functions. Okay, let me check it how it will come, then click on the OK. Then now you can see after the formula step, there is also another tab is called the Martin. And in the Martin, there are a few groups like clipboard, styles, tables, links, and functions library. What I customized there. Then what I'm gonna do, let's go back to again from the options and customized reward. Then go to the Martin, and there and here you can see also it's in the like after home tab insert tab and face layout and formula. So what I'm gonna do, I will take this tab after or before the home tab. So let me start like click on that and use this one for remove, move up. Now you can see this is in the first one, then next one is home tab. Okay, just you can easily do like the move down, or you can use it as a move up. Okay, next option, what I'm gonna do, I will use the new group. Okay, let me click on the new group, just click on the new group. Now you can see there is a two group, but it is the same same name like new groups and new groups custom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to change the name and use like the name MT. If I say this is a kind of the example and hit on the OK. And before that, you can also use the symbol if you want for your display name. Like if I gonna use, like if I use this one, okay, let me choose one of them and use the OK. Then let me click on the OK. Let's see how it come. You can now see this is the before, the after, the home tab and groups in here. You can also see all the tabs in here. Let me go back to again, then customize ribbon. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the few quick access where or customize the ribbon. Just click on that. Then I'm gonna use the few options from here. Let me click like the add, open up. Then I can use like the card, edit. Okay, then you can choose from the comments here. Like if I say all commands. Now you can see the all old commands you can use from them, and you can also choose from the like the binary workbook. Let me select it, then same I can do for the another. If I see the track error, let me just click on that. Then you can now see that in the marching step there is a few groups like empty groups, and click both like this. Then what I'm gonna do, just click on the OK. Now you can see in the marking tab there is also the empty groups, and there is a past open card binary workbook. What I'm selected in the customize, there are also a few tabs I have selected. It is just very easy and simple. Just follow the step and you can also make, and also you can customize the tab for your work and whatever you like for your worksheet in Excel. Okay, so that's for today. I hope that it's helpful you tricks, and thank you for watching.